Yo, what's good, guys? Today is a new day. It's 22nd of August, and I'm going to pick up my stuff that I waybilled from school down here to Owerri. So basically, yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, you can check out the full fit. Yeah, just just a simple drip with my glasses on. Wait, let me put on the glasses. So you see your boy's full drip, you know the vibe. Hello. So yeah, that's basically what I'm wearing, and yeah, I'm about going right now. So yeah, see you guys. So I just basically got to Peace right now. So it's in Peace that I dropped the thing, and I think I'm going to be going to the logistics area this time around. So yeah, I'll update you guys. So basically I have signed all the paperwork and done everything that needs to be done here. What I just need to do now is to find a bus, which is what I'm going out right now to do. And then once I find the bus, the next thing we're going to see is maybe us now in the bus moving home. So yeah, take care and see you guys. I'm looking here, but I'm supposed to be looking here. I'm looking at my 5 feet. Anyways, bye. So basically the items are home now, so you can see the 2 bags. Hi mama. So you can see the 2 bags, you can see this my chair, my silver chair. Time for trading action. My gallons, and I just want for family stuff. My table with the frame here as well. So yeah, my phone. So yeah, that's about that. What's good, YouTube? How's you guys doing? It's your boy G Forex here with another video, and today on this episode, basically I know it's been a while, I recorded or showed up on my channel, and I really apologize for that, because definitely the goal of this channel was to document my journey, and I haven't been doing that because, trust me, it's not that easy being trying to do content and trying to still face your life, especially if you're just starting out. It's not easy because you gotta you really have to plan different things, and even sometimes you can even be shy to pull out the camera to record some certain things. It happens to all of us, so yeah, it happens to me too. So yeah, definitely, as you guys can see, I'm in a different environment right now. Your boy has graduated, so yeah, definitely I came back home. I was feeling like should I remain in school and lock in more, without distraction and all that. But my guy, I don't miss my papa, my mama food. I don't miss my mama. I don't miss her food, guys. So yeah, definitely, I'm back home and locked in. How has trading been going? Well, I'll say trading has been going fine. Yeah, trading has been going fine. So far we're becoming better, and yeah, definitely I'm going to share with you some of the trades I took this week. Yeah, this week and last week as well. The results, I'm up this week, yeah, 3% or so on my challenge, even though I lost a few trades. But yeah, definitely we're still up, so that's the most important thing. I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of that video, and I'm actually even going to record another video before this one or after this one. But yeah, I'm going to post those ones before I post this one, because this one is more like a day in the life vlog kind of vibe. Yeah, so how have you guys been? Drop in the comment section your location, please. If you're watching this video, drop in the comment section your location, and if you're in uni, if you've graduated, what you do. Yeah, I would just definitely like to know. I'm always going to be in the comments reading what your replies are. Hope my mic is on. Perfect, it's on. So yeah, I'm going to break down my trades, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm also going to share my strategy that I've been using, to like get towards, consistency, because the goal is to get consistent in trading. I mean, we all know the trading life, we all know what trading can do, we all know trading is the best profession in the world. Nobody should even lie to you. But of course, with every profession comes discipline, comes, proper management, comes proper planning, no matter what, as traders, you still have to be like disciplined and calm, because without that, then nothing. So I'm going to be releasing 2 videos about fear of losing, and then about trading execution, because I've noticed that I just changed a few things like in my trading, and like the results have been like, where has this version of myself been? Like, where have you been hiding? Like, why are you getting it now? So like basically I'm going to share with you the tips that got me seeing more profits, and basically being more consistent. That's even the main thing, being more consistent, taking more trades to plan. I found it easier to obey my plan, and yeah, I'm going to share that as well in this video, so stay tuned. And yeah, I love to connect with you guys. Please make sure you like, subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. Yeah, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing so many things. I even have an outing. I'm going out with my guy this Saturday, so I might also vlog that one as well. Yeah, so yeah, take care, stay tuned, and let's get into the video. Bye. Alright guys, so welcome to the chart. Like I said, we're going to break down the setups I took this week, last week rather, because we're in a new week right now. Today is Sunday, and so it's going to be Monday very soon. It's Sunday evening, Sunday night actually, and in a few hours time it's going to be Monday. So yeah, this is the setup I took on last week through JPY, the one I took on my challenge account. So that's this sell, and if we go back, well, let me just break down this sell to you. Basically, from a higher time frame, daily, I saw this daily fair value gap right here, and you can see it is really strong, because I mean, price literally, you can see that price reversed off it and broke structure. I would have liked to clean off everything so that you understand, but you know what, let me just do that. Let me wipe off everything so that you understand, from the beginning to the end. Let me leave this QMR here. So basically, yeah, I came on the daily here, top down analysis, and I said, okay, where is price coming from? Price is coming from lower going up, and then where is price reacting off of? There's this daily fair value gap, there's also this other block up here, but price is most likely reacting from that daily fair value gap. And then I zoomed in, I was like, okay, what happened here? You can see that this here is a low, and this reaction actually broke this low. So to me, that is like, okay, that's a break of market structure right there. I mark it as break of market structure. All right, break of market structure. And then I now find liquidity, you get that price will need to neutralize to continue the move lower, and I found this one here. So I was like, okay, this is the liquidity point here, right here. I'm going to pop up the screenshots of this trade, of this particular first trade that I took, because I took two entries on this Euro JPY. Actually, I had 2 entries on Euro JPY. So the first one was, well, it's still playing out though. It hasn't hit stop loss technically, but I went out of the trade because it was taking too long, and swap fees were just like racking up. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to be able to hold that trade for that long, so let me just close it out. And besides, I got the second position entry on Euro JPY. My only annoyance in this second entry is that I didn't risk higher, because if I had risked more, then I would have already passed my challenge. But that's fine. Hopefully this week the trades we see, we get to pass a challenge, and we get to take good trades as well, because the main goal honestly has been taking good trades. When you take good trades, you just see your equity curve going up, like it's just a result. So yeah, I saw this liquidity here, and then I went down to the 4-hour time frame so that I can see it even more clearly. Alright, so there's the break of market structure like we said, and the liquidity. Now this is called the structural liquidity. Mind you, this is a type 3 setup. I'm still going to break down my setups for you guys, type 1, type 2, type 3, and what the various setup means. So you can see that here market pushed up coming from this fair value gap here, or you can see this QMR as well also here as a price, because to be honest that's actually a QMR on the 4-hour. Actually a QMR. Wow, I missed this trade. I wasn't sure of this trade though. I think I saw it, but I wasn't sure because it was close to premium. But oh well, that's fine. I just saw a trade right now in here. But yeah, so basically price is reacting off there. It broke all that structure, broke this as well. So I'm marking out my break of structure. I should even mark it from here actually. So yeah, got market structure. Then I can see my QMR, which is what this that block. Let me just shift this thing. You see this blue candle here? You can see how price kept going there and reacting, going to it and reacting. Let me show you what I mean. This candle right here, this candle, this blue. Let me zoom in. This blue candle, this one. So you can see how price pushed into it, rejected, pushed into it, rejected, kept rejecting until it failed. So once it fails, I mark that out as my QMR. Yes, so I draw it out in price, and I want to see price react from that zone. React. So when I basically, so this was my first trade, as you can see from the pop-up there. This is my first trade. Highs stop somewhere above here, and I'm targeting 3R as usual. Always targeting 3R. You know, that's what we do. So basically price was dropping beautifully, you know, and I was like, okay, wow, the trade is going so well. And then funny enough, I was not like, okay, it was now like a Friday or so. Yeah, it was the, you know, market was like consolidating back around this zone. So let me delete this. So market was kind of like consolidating around here on a Friday. So when I analyzed again, I went down into the lower time frame 1-hour chart, and then I noticed that okay, I can see another setup here, another beautiful setup playing out before my very eyes, and I'm sure you guys can already see it now based on what I just showed you from the other piece. You can see this high here was swept and the low was broken aggressively. There's a liquidity which I'm always looking for. This is perfectly A-shaped. I think I'll put a pop-up of my journal here. So yeah, this is my confluences. Those are the confluences I was looking for while, you know, marking out this trade. And you know, everything was just like according to what I was expecting. You know, all the confluences matched. So yeah, it was just a no-brainer. Like, okay, I'm going to enter this position as well. Like, I didn't even think too much about it. So I set my entries there, set my high, which I'm going to use to measure my stop loss. I'm going to use to measure my stop loss, and yeah, I then, this is the low I was expecting price to go to. You understand? Like, that is the low. This is like marks that I'm saying, okay, price should supposed to at least take out this low, because it's kind of like an A, B, C pattern. A, B, C. Sorry, A is the high here, B is the structural liquidity, and C is the terminus. So yeah, I set my shorts. That's my short position here. Stops just a little bit above. I like to measure my stops 3 pips above the high. Whatever the high is or low, I like to set it 3 pips, and then I'm targeting 3% as always. So yeah, 3%. Yeah. Oh, why is this still going down? Sorry guys, let me just get this 3% so that you can see that you got 3%. Alright, yeah, beautiful. So yeah, that's 3%. So you can see that on Monday evening around 5, around, okay, not really around 5, around 2 o'clock, no, here around 5 in the morning, early morning, 5 a.m, we got triggered into this trade, and trade, I think we hit CPI on Wednesday. So yeah, Wednesday also like around 6 a.m in the morning. So yeah, this was a beautiful 1 to 3 trade, as you can see, as a result and everything. So I had already gotten this trade, and then I was like, okay, price was still like doing all this, like I was expecting it to start going down. I marked out some zones and all that, but I'm not here to break down why I closed out the other trade. I'm here to break down the trade that I won. So this was the mindset behind it, just still seeing the same thing play out again, even on lower time frame, same thing on the higher time frame played out, and this one was more high probability because this one was type 2. Alright, I'm still going to explain throughout the video, explain the different types of my entries. So this was a type 2, and this is high probability or high probable trade. So as you can see, obviously played out, it hit CP. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Yeah, so I basically decided to just show you guys what the type 1 and type 2 and type 3. I was like, what's the point of putting it in another video when I can just show you guys immediately? Okay, so type 1 is high probability. Yeah, so this basically is a low, a valid low, it's swept. Okay, that's what happens here. The low is swept, you see a low being taken out. Alright, then a low is broken. Alright, and then comes back down, forms another low, breaks again at 2 breaks, 1 2. Alright, and then that low, now this low here is what we call structural liquidity. So 3 number of things we look for when we want to trade, and mind you, I learned this concept from my mentor, this Dax. So you should definitely check out his YouTube channel, this Dax. He's my mentor. Yeah, so yeah, it's very, very simple concept, and it has literally like opened my eyes to a lot. So same thing here, this is structural liquidity. Same thing here as well, this is also the structural liquidity as well. So there has to be a structural liquidity, there has to be something fueling the move. This is type 1, very high probability. Most type 1 trades are A+ setups. Obviously, when I see type 1 trade, I'm so excited. I'm like, oh, just like this, not like I'm so excited, but just like this CHFJPY trade right now. This is okay. This is a type 2, as you can see. It's before it swept this low here. This is the high that swept. Before it broke this high, it put in a low. Now this low puts in before it breaks it as our structural liquidity. So this is type 2. So just like you can see it here now, type 2. Type 1 setup, if I could find this type 1 setup, I wish I could find a type 1 setup, but it is kind of, it doesn't come every time. Let me see if there's a type 1 setup. I think there's a type 1 setup I took a while, not too long ago, on CHFJPY as well. Okay, this is still a type 2 setup. That's still a type 2. Anywho's, but you get the vibe now. This is type 1. This is what it looks like. Okay, Then type 2, like I showed you guys with that example of CHFJPY. Then type 3, why I call it low probable now, okay. Type 3 now is exactly this Euro JPY setup that that hasn't yet hit take profit, but you can see it here that structural liquidity. Let me go to the 4-hour. Let me go to the 4-hour charts here. Alright, so you can see it now, okay. Coming from a daily fair value gap, it broke structure. This is the break of market structure. This is the break of market structure. Alright, that's the break. That's the break of market structure. This is the area where price, if this setup was to be a beautiful type 1, yeah, this low will take out this low. It will take out this low. And then that'll be a type 1, a beautiful type 1 setup. That did not happen. So it didn't take it out. So this is what they call engineered liquidity, of course. So it went, now it's taking it out. Now it's supposed to drop, but it's low probable because, which means it doesn't work out every single time, unlike how the type 1 is going to work or the type 2 is going to work. So that's what we mean by type 3 setup. It doesn't break the structure high before coming back to take it out. That's exactly what happened here. It didn't break the slow before coming to take it out. So yeah, type 1, type 2, type 3, these two are high probable and this one is low probable, but still a worthy setup to take. So yeah guys, see you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this valuable tips I've given you guys. If you're looking for where to put your take profit, this high here is always going to be a good spot for your take profit, but I recommend 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Personally, I do 1 to 3 right now. That's what I'm doing and that's what's working for me. I'm going to keep on doing it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Take care and enjoy the rest of the vlog like I said earlier. Bye. What's good guys? So basically I've gotten to my guy's house right now, and yeah, we about to head out. We're about heading out right now very soon. Heading to the location. Glasses wants to ruin my steez. So we're about heading to the location where we're going to, let's check out what's happening today, and that's basically what we're doing. That's my guy there. Say hi to the vlog. So yeah, that's the man, the myth, the legend. So yeah, he's taking me out today. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's keep our fits. I'm gonna show our fits so you can see our fits. Yeah, I have my, so this is the full fit. Just going out and chill, small, very. That's right. Alright, so basically we just got into the location right now, as you can see. We will do a time giveaway. Yeah, this is what we're going for. Something about Sabino stuff. So yeah, let's just see how it goes and all that. What's good guys? So basically I decided to record a voiceover so you can properly understand the event. It's basically a fan mail collaboration event with Mr. Sabinus. It was really fun. I mean, I've not really gone out in a while. I met so many guys, so many girls, played some nice games like basketball, dancing competition, and lots of giveaways up to 50k or more. This family people came prepared. Mr. Sabinus also was available, which was very fun. Basically time got late, so I was like, bro, let's head out. But he was like, let him quickly toss some tennis and win this guy. So yeah, bye. It was a nice event. Basically we just got to another location right now. We're in Villa Garden. We're just coming here to chill. Just chill vibe, pool vibe, you set up. I'm going to see.
Yeah, you know what time it is, man. Villa Garden.
Alright guys, so basically right now we're just here at Villa Garden, as you can see around. The place is very chill vibe with my guy. Just said after that whole noise of Sabines and everything no more. Let's just come here and take a chill drink and get some work done. No, I'm seeing some setups on the charts. Although this Saturday I don't usually like do much on Saturday. I just chill, relax my brain from trading, and then tomorrow Sunday after church and everything I then lock in on trading. So yeah, I'm just here, just still looking at the charts as always. Yeah, peace.